What's up, guys? It's Dawson V92 here, and whoa, told you, exposed. It's out of there. There's more eggs and all downstairs. There's like 4 eggs and more sweets and all. Also, a sneak peek of my car. Right there. So, if you enjoyed, thank you for watching. See you guys.